it's your boy Soul from Soul Star Sketch, and welcome back to Inktober 2021. Oh my god, we're still going. Yep, every single day I'm going to release a new video about Inktober and a new subject. So the new subject for today is Sprout. That's what's on the list, it's Sprout. I think of something really quick because I just couldn't think of anything. So I started thinking about Pokemon for a second. I don't know why I should think about Pokemon, but I did start thinking about Pokemon, so there you go, I guess. And at the same time I was making it, I started making like this really cutesy image in my head, so I just started going between Pokemon and Disney. This Disney Pokemon fusion, which frankly is about the same thing when we think about it anyway. But that's what I came up with. It's a little leafy creature that looks like a nut with like this plant thing sprouting out of his head. I don't know what this is. He looks so silly. He's so silly. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. Also remember that if you want to get Archimist from me, you gotta go to soulstarsketching.weebly.com or go to patreon.com/soulstarsborn or join the channel. Join the channel. Join the channel. I'm gonna say it again. Join the channel. I subscribe to the channel, of course, obviously. But yeah, Inktober is interesting. This is gonna be a really weird experiment for me to do because it's Vlogtober and it's Inktober at the same exact time. So I gotta bounce between both, even though it's the exact same thing. I never done this before, okay? So bear with me here. I'm trying. But yeah, that's all I gotta talk about today. So I'm gonna leave you alone for today, and I hope to see you in the next video. So Soulstar is out. Peace.